Hi there, I'm Daniel Spouse, an AV Denison Specialist Trainer. Today we're going to run through how to install paint protection film, bulk style, onto this wing mirror. This is how I do it. So we've cleaned our wing mirror, we've gone over with flat cleaner, we've clay barred it, and then we've done our final clean with surface cleaner. And we've got our paint film cut to a little bit larger than we need, just so we can play around and slide it around there. What I like to do is go straight with the tack solution instead of the slip solution. So we're going to lay it on and just make sure the film will slide around a little bit. And we're going to try aim to just pull the film apart and spread the tension straight across the 50-50 point. And then we're just going to hold it there just while the film tacks up a little bit. Again, the same as the bonnet. We don't really want to squeegee the wing mirror until we're happy. Just going to spread as much of the tension away from the edges as we can. And just hold it for a couple of seconds just while the adhesive starts to build up and really grab. Again, once we're happy, we're just going to wet the surface so the squeegee can slide. And then take our squeegee. Gave it a little bit of a relief cut just to swing this round to get a little bit more coverage. And again, same as the bonnet now, we're just going to flush the edges just to get the tack to build up a little bit more. And now we'll start trimming the mirror. So the first cut I'll make is I'll cut down this plastic moulding there. And then I'll trim the top edge around the bottom. So now I'll talk you through where I trim and why I trim there. Basically, all paint protection films are a functional film to protect the paintwork underneath. It's not so much a colour change wrap as more protecting the paintwork underneath. So when we trim, we will trim slightly back from the edge. And also down here, you can see the actual moulding line. We'll trim somewhere around there just to keep the actual face of the mirror protected. I also like to go over the edge with a felt squeegee, as it pushes any last bit of water out and soaks it up at the same time. That is the face of the film. And there you go, that's the high impact areas covered with paint protection film. Thanks for watching. If you'd like to see more of our tips and tricks videos or register for our wrap training, head over to the website at graphics.avdenison.eu.